In this video, we listed the 5 best 49-inch monitors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. The Samsung 49-inch Odyssey Neo G9 gaming monitor offers an immersive gaming experience with its 32:9 aspect ratio and DQHD resolution, matching the curve of the human eye to reduce eye strain. It features NVIDIA GSYNC and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support to ensure smooth gameplay without dropped frames. The monitor boasts a rapid 240 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time for optimal performance. Its mini-LED quantum matrix technology enhances visuals with increased screen dimming zones and improved luminance, delivering deeper blacks and brighter whites. The Odyssey Neo G9 also includes adjustable positioning with swivel, tilt, and height adjustment options, as well as VESA mounting capabilities. It supports Quantum HDR 2000 for exceptional brightness and detail visibility, while its Infinity Core lighting adds a visually striking element to any setup. Additional features include a 178 degrees viewing angle, 420 CD brightness, 2 USB ports, and HDMI 2.1 compatibility, all operating within a temperature range of 10 to 40. Number 2. Philips Brilliance for 99p9H. The Philips computer monitor is a massive 48.8-inch super-wide curved LED monitor with a 32:9 aspect ratio and dual QHD, 5120 by 1440 resolution, offering an immersive visual experience. It boasts impressive color accuracy, covering 91% of Adobe RGB and 103% of NTSC color gamut, along with Display HDR 400 for vibrant visuals. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.0b, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C with DP Alt mode, plus a built-in USB-C docking station featuring USB 3.1 ports, RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet, and USB-C PD 2.0 charging. Furthermore, it includes a multi-client KVM switch with multi-view, built-in speakers, a Windows Hello pop-up webcam, and smart uniformity for consistent brightness. Number 3. Dell Marketing U4919DW Monitor. The Dell monitor features a massive 49-inch screen with a wide QHD 1440p resolution, providing an expansive and immersive viewing experience. Its 32:9 aspect ratio offers an ultra-wide display that is ideal for multitasking and enhances productivity by allowing users to view multiple applications simultaneously. The screen surface is glossy, delivering vibrant and sharp visuals. With a brightness of 350 nits and a response time of 5 milliseconds, this monitor ensures clear and responsive performance, making it suitable for both professional and entertainment purposes. Number 4. Asus ROG Strix XG49VQ. The Asus 49-inch curved super ultra-wide monitor offers an immersive gaming experience with its DFHD, 3840 by 1080 resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, and FreeSync 2 HDR technology. Featuring Display HDR 400 certification and 90% DCI-P3 coverage, it delivers high color contrast and cinematic visuals. Designed for extended use, it offers swivel, tilt, and height adjustability, VESA mount compatibility, and ASUS eye care technology to minimize eye strain. Additionally, exclusive Game Plus and Game Visual features enhance gameplay with customizable overlays and color modes, supporting both DisplayPort and HDMI connectivity. Number 5. AOC Agon AG493UCX2. The AOC Agon is a 49-inch, 48.8-inch viewable, curved gaming monitor boasting a 5K QHD, 5120 by 1440 resolution and a 32:9 aspect ratio. Its 1800R curved VA panel provides an immersive gaming experience while also enhancing multitasking capabilities. Features include a rapid 165 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRT response time, AMD FreeSync Premium technology for tear-free visuals, and VESA Display HDR 400 certification with a DCI P390% color gamut for vibrant and detailed imagery. The monitor's glossy screen surface aims to deliver a more visually engaging experience.